it's Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Fall Monday meal. My mom made this one in the Instapot, and it's called Instapot Salsa Chicken, and she made them, of course, from frozen, so you don't have to remember to thaw anything out. It also makes a great Taco Tuesday meal, so she actually made this and then used it for Taco Tuesday. But it's our Monday meal this week, and it was delicious. I love Taco Tuesday because that means that there's going to be chips of some sort, either in taco shell form or chip form. So this meal goes great with either one, and of course, give them to your favorite dog. Also, I'd like to tell you that if you haven't already, please like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and also please make sure you subscribe to our channel because you definitely want to see all of my videos and all of our Monday meal recipes. Plus, sometimes when we go on vacation, Mom makes a video for that too, so you can see what I did on vacation. All right. You guys have a great Fall Monday. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everyone, as Yoda said, the Monday meal today is inspired for Taco Tuesday. It is an Instapot from frozen salsa chicken. So you put the chicken breast in there frozen, which you know is my favorite. So I've got 4 chicken breasts in there. You actually only have to use 3, but that's what I had left in the bag, so I just used 4. So 4 frozen chicken breasts, and then a package of taco seasoning, which we're using Siete. We're using their taco seasoning, the mild one, because it's gluten-free. So I shook it on one side, and then you flip it over and shake it on the other side of the chicken breast. Then you put in half a cup of salsa. So we're using On the Border gluten-free salsa. And then half a cup of chicken broth. So that's all in there. And I also have it, you probably can't see this, but I also have them on the trivet in the bottom of the Instapot because some people said that it can burn if you don't use the trivet, even with the chicken stock in there. So I put them up on the trivet in the bottom there. And then I'm also adding a bag of corn and a chopped onion, frozen chopped onion. So that's in here too. That's not in the recipe. I'm just adding it because we'll just use this and it'll all be ready to go and put on tacos. So that's what I'm going to do with it. All right, so there it is. We're just going to take our lid here and we're going to put it on sealing. Want it to seal. Then it says the poultry one choice or whatever, but I don't have that on mine, so I'm going to use manual. And then 15 minutes. And then go. You don't touch anything else on an Instapot once you set the time. So that's going to cook, and then you let it natural release for 20 minutes before you open it and shred the chicken. See you in a little bit. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, a little over. Of natural release, so then I pushed it over to quick release the rest of the steam. Now we're going to open it up, see what we got. Sorry, you probably want to actually see what I'm looking at, don't you? There is a chicken breast. Oh, it's white inside. That's a good sign. Hard to do with one hand. There. Yep, they're white. Okay, so I'm going to shred this up and mix it all together and show you what it looks like. All right, here's the finished product. All shredded up and stirred together. Now we're going to put them on tacos. Have a great meal. Say hi, Yoda.